Hey everybody, today I'm going to be walking you through each page of the EventR Coordinator Hub. To start with, we'll create a new itinerary on the event's information page. Now that we have a new itinerary, we can name the event. For this example, we'll use the Italian Grand Prix. We can now add basic information such as dates. For this event, it's the 5th of September to the 7th. We then need to add time zones, which will be reflected in each event for this itinerary. We can then add the event location. For this race, it's at the Monza circuit. Extra information can then be added, such as a website link. Team members, either individually or as a group. Additional information and files can now be added, such as emergency contact details and documents that need to be visible to all team members. Add a cover image to make this itinerary easily distinguishable as we flick through the app. Now we need to remember to save this itinerary. We can also add a tag for easy organisation. For this example, we'll use F1. Finally, we can make this itinerary visible to team members and update the app. Now the itinerary has been made visible, we can open the app. Looking at the phone screen, we can now see what members of the team will be able to access, and we will continue to look back at the app so you can see how quick and easy this information is to view. We can now sync this calendar to your device, ensuring you don't miss any updates.